Clever boy. Are you painting? You did some painting. Go on then. Clever boy. Yay! Clever boy. You're a clever boy. Go on then, do some painting. Clever boy. Look at the mess at your high chair. Oh, George, your tummy and your hands. Oh dear, what a mess. What have you done? What have you done? You made a mess. You have. Have you made a mess? Have you made a mess? Have you made a mess? Have you? You have. Messy boy. You're a messy boy. You're a messy boy. You're painting your high chair now. Are you painting your high chair?